Hello everyone, welcome to Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. I am Bill the Drunken Sailor, and you're in the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Lounge. Today we're going to bring you a cocktail that's not quite tiki, but it's very similar in a lot of ways. It's a riff off of a classic tiki, a Navy Grog. Well, this one's a little bit simpler. It's made in a glass. This one is called the Sea Monster. Let's get cracking. We're going to build this cocktail in a glass. So we're going to have our tiki glass, because it's kind of tiki. We are going to use some spiced rum today, so why not use Kraken rum? We're going to put in some fresh fruit juice today, and for that, we're using grapefruit juice. Freshly squeezed, you know fresh is best. And then we're going to finish it off with a little bit of fancy red stuff, some grenadine, and we'll top that all off with a little bit of ginger beer. I'm going to start by putting just a little bit of ice in the bottom of my glass. And then I am going to put in there 2 full ounces of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. I am going to follow that off with 1.5 ounces of Kraken spiced rum. And well, you don't have to use Kraken. You can use sour jerry. You can use any spiced rum you want. But hey, face it, it's fun saying, release the Kraken. We're going to put in there a touch of grenadine. And we're just going to use 1/4 ounce, just a little splash. And that's going to give it some color. Now what I want to do is ice that up the rest of the way. A little bit more ice in there, and then what I want to do is I'm going to take my grapefruit slice, I'm going to push that on the inside of the glass. Now we're going to fill that all the way up with the ice. And I've got my spoon out here. We're going to give that a little bit of stir to mix it up. Then you don't have to go all the way around, but just to get a little bit mixed up in there. And I have one last step in there. It's not a sea monster unless it bites, so we're using a ginger beer. I'm using the Goya, and the Goya is very spicy. It's got a great bite to it. What better to go into the sea monster? We're just going to top that off. Simple, easy, it's in the glass, it's the sea monster. Let's give this a taste and see what we got. Ooh, that's got a bite to it. You've got that nice spiced rum in there. You've got all those good Caribbean flavors that go in that rum. You've got that little bit of bitter, but not too bitter, grapefruit juice in there, and the bite of the ginger. This one is checking all the boxes on it. It's not tiki, but it's still a sea monster. Cheers, everybody. Leave us a like, leave us a comment, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you come back for the next cocktail.